compassion, a completion that a legend would be born. Tsala ya Mupe ya iketseha, tsala ya Bafokeng, the one and only Matekane, the man of courage and character, the man of passion and compassion. Now, let's go down the memory lane. Mosotho o tla dumellana le nna ha ke re e fela ruri mohale o tsoa mareleng. He commenced with education, the life that each and every one of us need to strive for a better future, a better goal, so we can put food on the tables. Bucheletsane Primary School was there to set the foundation. Yes, with the same hard work and determination, he progressed to Baatile High School. The visionary man in him was unfolding. The burning desire for making change was unleashing. Under the struggles, the storms, the discrimination, oppression, he made his way to the center stage of the world. From manufacturing businesses that led to construction of roads, dams, reservoirs, to Matekane group of companies that was formed to assassinate any means of poverty so men and women could put food on their tables. Being a compassionate, ambitious man that you are, you went out of your way to ensure the welfare of our nation was a priority. When HIV devoured our nation, you came to our rescue. When we were facing the catastrophe of COVID-19, you uplifted us all as a nation, revived our diminishing hope. But I wonder, had it not been for your sacrifices, where would you be? For always giving back to us. You are my hero, my motivation. I therefore stand here proudly a Mosotho girl.